Hi guys, Retrocengo here. I just want to make a quick test. Now to the right we have an Amiga 3000 with 2 megabytes of Chipram, 16 megabyte Fastram on board on the motherboard, and a Zorro 3 card with 64 megabytes of Fastram expansion. It has got the IDE reader from individual computers. It's got a 16 gigabyte compact flash card. And it runs 25 megahertz. The Amiga 3000. The Amiga 4000 to the left here. It runs with a Cyberstorm MKII 68060 with 128 megabytes of RAM on board on the CPU board. It's got 2 megabytes of chip RAM and 16 megabyte of fast RAM also on board on the motherboard. Both of them runs Kickstart 3.1, and the Amiga 4000, it has the identical 16 megabyte compact flash card. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start Frontier2, and let's just see. I'm gonna hit return at the same time, and let's just see how it loads. I don't think there will be that much of a difference, but I've always been curious about it, so I'm just gonna make the test myself. So let's check it out. All right, I started about, already the 060 is a tad faster. But this way we can also check the smoothness of the game, of the animations. And the sound is coming from my Amiga 4000. Look at the 030, look at the Amiga 3000. I mean, a comparison like this, you can really see the 030 processor. It struggles. I mean, when I look at it on my Amiga 1200 with 030, I mean, it feels like it just runs perfect, but this way I can really feel the difference. Now I started both games at the same time. To my big surprise, my favorite CRT monitor, the Commodore 1084S versus Philips 8833. The contrast, the black level, it actually looks better on the Philips monitor. Not on the camera, but in the real deal, the Philips picture quality is just, the color saturation, everything looks much better on the Philips CRT. And that's just connected by a SCART cable. The Commodore 1084S is connected by, real RGB connection. The 060 is just such a beautiful processor. It runs so smooth. Not that we have that many Amiga games that we really can take advantage of the 060, no, but it's just, today it's just so fun to have more power, because back then I couldn't afford a Cyberstorm 2, MKII with an 060 and 128 megs of RAM. Oh my god, that was crazy back then. So just fun to watch it this way, guys. These old 25, 30-year-old computers, still so much fun to use. So I just want to say thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. I hope you will give this one a thumbs up. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.